ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन भवता गिरपुंसा विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः नमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। तत्त्वा सरस्वती देवी सिद्धां पुण्यां प्रचोदयात् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी। We are in the last sutra of Ajanta Strilinga. Ukaranta, Ikaranta, Ikaranta. These shubdas are remaining. Here we were. So in last class we saw Rukaranta Shabdas. Though they are Rukaranta Strilinga Shabdas, they do not get Nip Tap Pratyaya to express Tritva. They are declined Ukaranta only. So forms of Pullinga Strilinga are almost same, just Ditya Bahuvachan is different. There is the Sakara gets replaced by Nakara. In Pullinga forms, Strilinga that does not happen. Dirgha Rukara takes place and simple Visarga. That's how we finished or we saw in last class. Swasru is different. Remaining Rukaranta Swasradiganastha Shabdas like Nanandru, Duhitru, Yatru, Matru. These Shabdas are declined like Pitru. Swasru is little bit different because it is coming in the Aptrantru Swasru Naptru next to Tvashuk Shatru Hotru Potru Prashastranam. That sutra makes Upadha Dirgha. Whereas because it comes in that sutra, that's why we have to do Upadha Dirgha with all Sarvanamasthana Pratyas. That does not happen to these Shabdas because these Shabdas are not read in that particular sutra. So for this sutra, Shabda, Nanandru, Duhitru, Yatru, Matru, these Shabdas will get Upadha Dirgha only with some Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya sutra. There only it happens. Everywhere else, it is just like Pitru Shabda. So that's where the Matru Shabda also was over. Now next is Jyo Shabda, Jyo. Is Okaranta Shabda. Now, this is the condition. Subutpatti is there. Jyo is Pratipadika and after that Su is coming. So Prakriya is same as we did for Go Shabda. Go Shabda was Okaranta. We declined it in Pullinga. It is also declined in Strilinga. So Go Shabda in Pullinga we decline. Go, Su. So there was one sutra which we saw for Go Shabda. Atidesha Sutra. We saw. Atidesha Sutra was Goto Nit. Goto Nit. Sutra was saying that after Go Shabda, the Sarvanamasthana Pratyas are there. Those Pratyas will get Nidvat Bhava. They are not Anit. They do not have Na as It. Yet they will be considered as Anit by this sutra, Goto Nit. In that sutra, there is one Vartika that Oto Niditi Vachyam. Otonit iti vachyam. Instead of gotonit, Vartikara is saying that read it as otonit. So, otonit means now gotonit sutra is saying that after go shabda, whatever the pratyasar will become nidvat. But otonit sutra will say that okaranta shabda, whatever the okarantanga is there after that, whatever sarvanama pratyas we see, they will get nidvat bhava. So otoniditi vachyam. By that vartika, even after dyo shabda, whatever the sarvanama pratyay is, will get nidvat bhava. So because now su has got anidvat bhava, niditi vachyam. Vartika. Because now su is like anit, it is not anit, but it is nit. Because of that, some karya will happen. What is the prayojan of nidvat bhava?
Vriddhi will happen.
Vriddhi will happen. Sutra is
Achoniti.
achoniti. Ya o sa u sa. Now, achoniti, niti and niti cha pratyay pare. Acha vriddhi syat. So that's how okara got vriddhi. Now, aukara is the vriddhi for okara. That came in the place of okara. Dya au sa. We got dyaus. Now the normal prakriya sasajushorhu kharavasanir visarjaniyah. Dyauru. Dyaur. Oh, what will happen here now?
Atoniti.
Otoniditi vachyam. Here also otoniditi vachyam will be applicable. Yes. Oh. Oh.
Achoniti.
Now what will happen here?
Echoyavaya.
Dirghadesha will not take place between O and O.
No.
Reason?
Dirghadesha will happen for A, E, O, R. R.
There is no this. So there is the Okara has its own dirgha. It itself is dirgha, and Pluta is there. But Okara and Okara are not savarnis of each other. That's why that does not happen.
What is that? Okara and Aukara are not?
They are not savarnis.
Savarni.
They do not get savarna saudhnya of each other. So Okara will be savarna of the 12 of its own and not of Aukara. Clear that point? because they are mentioned separately. If there was, they were from the, this, if Okara was becoming the Savarni of Aukara, then Aukara would not have been mentioned by Maharishi Panini. That is the reason is given by Bhashyakara. Bhashyakara only wrote this. Because they are mentioned separately, that's why they do not become Savarni of each other, though they appear same. Same thing is for A and I.
Okay.
Yeah, both. Ichoyava. Yeah. Yo, Dhana, Jas. What will happen here?
Oto nid.
Oto niditi vachyam. So here, that is here itself it happened.
Achoniti.
Yeah.
H2
Final form. Sasaju shuru kharvasani rusajan. Trutva visarga. Dhana, What will happen here? One sutra we had seen for this.
Akara will come. Dirga A.
A will come in the place of them.
Autom shasoho.
Yeah. A. Shasoho. And Shas Pratyas, when they will be there in front of it. So Okara, Akara will be replaced by Akara. Is it Ekadesha Adhikara?
Akara adeshah bhavati.
No, but is it Ekadesha or
Ekadesha. Purvaparayoho ekah akara adesha.
Purvaparayo? So correct. This step is correct. Both of them will get replaced by Akara. Ready? Dyam. Put. Because it is having Anidvat Bhava by Oto Vacham. So, now what will be the next step?
Echoevaiva.
Choyavayavaha. Is ready? जाओ. द्यो धन. What will happen here?
अंशसो.
Oh. Tom. Oh. A otah amshaso. That's how we have to understand. Then yas yaru shuru karavasanu sajaniya dyaha. So dhana. What will happen?
HOYY.
HOYY. Form is ready. Yava. So dhana bhyam. Dyo dhana bhis. So dhanani. What will happen here?
अवतरणित.
जी.
सर HOYY.
HOYY. अभी यो धन भ्याम नाम यो दियो धन नसी. will happen here?
नसी नसोश्च.
Nasi nasoscha. So dia sa. O. Sutra is nasi. Then there is anga. Enganta anga is there, and akar of nasi and nas is there in front of it. Then Purva Rupa Ekadesha takes place. Same sutra we apply when we do the prakriya of Ghisaudnika Shabdas. So we get Dyos, Dyoru, or Kharavasana Visarjaniya, Dyoho. So Dhana, Dhyam. Dhyam. So Dhana, yes. Dyo, Dhana, Nas. What will happen here?
HOYY.
No. Nasi Nasoscha. Nasi and Nas.
Yes.
ओस शुरू खरवसानो विसर्जनीयः द्योः द्यो धन ओस क्या
एचो एव एव
चोयवायावः औ यगोरु यगोर शुरू खरवसानो विसर्जनीयः ओहो धन या
एचो एव एव
चोयवायावः द्यो वा द्यो धन नि या
एचो एव एव
what will happen here
एचो एव एव
चोयवायावः बी धन ओस ओहो सेम एज षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचन यो धन सुप what will happen here
औतोनित
no
गोतोनित
no that will not be applicable that will be applicable only for sarvanama sthana pratyaya simply we have to connect nothing is happening any haladi pratyaya is there we are just connecting them bhyam 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 this bhyas then this
आदेश
sup
yes
आदेश प्रत्ययोः is the sup yeah and final form is ready dyohu it's like gohu then dyo dhana su sambodhana what will happen here
here गोतोनित
here itself we will niditi then by sutra
अचोनिति
then
दसजुषोरु करवसाने विसर्जनीयः
correct Yau, Yaus, Yauru, Yaur, Yauhu, then Dhana Au, What will be prakriya here?
Oto niti.
Next.
Acho niti. Hecho eva.
Now. Ready? Yavo. Yavo. Dhana. Just again.
Oto niti.
Oto.
Niti vach.
Iti vacham. Varchikam. And Vidya. Because of that.
Vriddhi will happen. Acho niti. Hecho eva.
Echo eva yavo. Avas. Yavaru. Yavar. Ready? Sasayushoru. Kravasana Rusarjaniya. द्यौः द्यावौ द्यावः द्यां द्यावौ द्याः द्यवा द्योभ्यां द्योभिः द्यवे द्योभ्यां द्योभ्यः द्योः द्योभ्यां द्योभ्यः द्योः द्यवोः द्यवां द्यवि द्यवोः द्योषु हे द्यौः हे द्यावौ हे द्यावः. That's how. Just like gau shabda, go shabda we decline, gauhu gavo gavah. This will be declined. Now rai was another shabda. Rai is wealth, dhanam. Strilinga also it is declined. In pullinga also it is declined. And how is it declined? It is declined in same way. But there is one sutra which particularly comes for that. So here comes Rai Dhanasu. What will happen? Rai Dhanasu. It is declined. Aha. Ayo. Ayah. Then Ayam. Ayo. Raya. Rabhyam. Rabhi. Raye. Rabhyam. Rabhyah. Rayah. Rabhyam. Rabhyah. Rayah. Rayoho. Rayam. Rayi. Rayoho. Rasu. He Raha. He Rayo. He Ha. This is how it is declared. What will be the sutra?
Rayu hali.
Correct. It's the only sutra. Otherwise, everything else we have seen in Sandhi Prakarana only. So Ra This is the situation. This is where we are.
Akara.
रायो हलि रायः हलि आकारा एक आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. That is the sutra. रायः is षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन. हलि परे सति आकारः आदेशः स्यात्. So aikara gets replaced by akara by rayo hali, and criteria is haladi pratyaya should be there in front of it. So su is haladi pratyaya, and therefore aikara gets replaced by akara, and we get ra. So next will be ras, raru, rar. Sasajushoru kharavasana visurjaniyah raha. Then this ajadi pratyayas are there. Wherever ajadi pratyay is there, ayadi adesha will take place. Rai plus au, rai au rayo. Rai plus as, rai plus as, rayas, rayaru, rayar, rayah. Rayam. Rai plus Here, Purvarupa does not take place. Ami Purvaha Sutra is not applicable. What might be the reason? We applied Hoyavayavaha. Wherever Ajadi Pratyay is there, Hoyavayava is applied. Why the Purvarupa is not taking place here? Here we can understand Rayo, Au, Ajadi Pratyay is there, Ayadi Adesh will take place. Everywhere else. Raya, Raye, Rayah, Rayah, Rayi. Just Ayadi Adesh. No any other Prakriya has been done. In Shashti Saptami Dvivachan also Ayadi Adesh. Shashti Bahuvachan Ayadi Adesh. Here, wherever this Supratyay is Haladi, therefore A Adesha has been done by this Rayo Hali. And again Prathama Vibhakti only, this Sambodhana is also Prathama Vibhakti only, so no change. Just question is about Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan, Pratyay is there. Why didn't we do Purva Rupa? This question may...
Because not Akvarna.
Correct. It is not Ak. Akom mechi, Akaha Ami Achi Parataha. That is the Artha of Ami Purva Sutra. It should be Ak. So I does not include I. Therefore, the Purva Rupa does not happen in the case of Rai Shabda. That's how we get Ayadi Adesha only. And Rai Shabda gets over here. This Rai Shabda is clear?
Yes, Ji.
Next is Nau Shabda. Nau Shabda is a small boat. It is Aukaranta. Now, okay, what will be the Prakriya? Now who Glauvat?
Tasajushoru Kharavasana Visarjani.
There is no specific Prakriya for Aukaranta Shabda. It is not getting any Saudhnya like Ghi or Nadi. So therefore, there is no Ghi Saudhnyaka, Nadi Saudhnyaka Karya. Then there is no Nidvat Bhava Atidesha Sutra is applicable for this Aukaranta Shabda. So no specific work like that also. Nasing Asoscha, these are the some sutras which are generally applicable not because of there is Nidvat Bhava or there is some Saudhnya, some sort of Saudhnya is given to Shabda. That sutra is also not applicable in the case of this Nau and Glau Shabda. There is no specific sutra for those Shabdas. So here just whatever the sandhi karya will happen, that much karya we are supposed to do. Everything else is just simple. So naus, nauru, naur, nauhu. Nau dhana, au, now, au, now. Now dhana jas, navah. Now dhana no amipurvah, hoyavayavah. Again, everywhere hoyavayavah is happening wherever there is ajadi pratyaya. So navam. Dhana out. Out. Now dhana shas. Vah. Dhana ta. Nava. Dhanabhyam, naubhyam. Nau dhanabhis, naubhihi. Nau dhana nge. Nau dhana nge, what will be the form?
Nave.
Form will be
Nave.
nave. Nave. Then naubhyam. Nau
Navya.
bhya. You can guess. Just simply ayad adesh you have to do.
Nava.
Vah.
Navau.
No, naubhyam. Naubhya.
Navaha.
Navah.
Navoho.
Navoho.
Navam.
No note agama because it is not raswa, it is not nadi saudnika, it is not abanta. Therefore, no any other karya, just simple ayadi adesh. Then saptami vibhakti ekvachan nau dhanangi.
Navi.
Avi.
Navoho.
Avoho.
Navasu. Na.
No.
Naushu.
Naushu. That's it. Sambodhana.
He Nava. He Nauhu.
He nauhu. He
He Navau.
navo. He.
Navaha.
I was afraid of these shabdas when I had not learned them. But these are the easiest shabdas. Not much sutras are required for these shabdas. So nauhu, glauvat. Glau is moon, nau is a boat. Rai is wealth. Gyau is sky. Swarga. So here nauhu, glauvat gets over. Glau also was declined like this only. Glauhu, glavo, glavah, glavom, glavo. Glavah, glava, glaubhyam, glaubhi, glave, glaubhyam, glaubhya, glavah, glaubhyam, glaubhya, glavah, glavo, glavam, glavi, glaubhu, glavo, glavo, glaushu, he glauhu, he glavo, he glavah. This now, glow and yau, which is dyo. Is these shabdas are clear?
SG.
Okay. So here are Ajanta Strilinga gets over. Nashak Swasradibhya is the last sutra of Ajanta Strilinga Prakarana. Here is the collection of sutras. Yes, this is something we had already seen when we were seeing this Trujvat Kroshtuhu. and then Rukaranta Shabdas be declined. So there one Niyama Vidhi had happened. This Aptrun, Truch, Swasrun, Aptrun, Neshtrut, Tvashtruk, Shatru, Otru, Potru, Prashastranam. There the Aptrun and Truch were pronounced or read by Maharshi Paniniji, and again Swasru, Naptru, Neshtru, Tvashtru, Kshatru, Hotru, Potru, and Prashastru. These Shabdas were read. Then there one Niyama Vidhi had happened. For that purpose, these three sutras from Unadi Prakarana are taken here. Then for Rukaranta Shabdas, these are the sutras which we used. Rudushana Spurdamso Neha Sancha, Anangadesh we did, Sarvanamasthanecha Sambuddho, Nakaranto Upadha we did, Aptrun Truch Swasrun Aptrun Nestru, again Upadha Dirgha we did for Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas when they are there in front of it. Halgyabhyo Dirgha Sutisya Pruktam Hal, always whenever the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan Anangadesh we did, there we applied this sutra for Sambodhana as well as this Prathama Vibhakti, normal Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Nalopa Pratipadikantasya, because Anang Adesh was happening everywhere, the Nalopa Pratipadikantasya we used, and this Matan, Pitan, Swasan everywhere, Nakara we removed the Nakara by this sutra. Sanyogantasya Lopa is one sutra. To apply Ratsasya, we need to understand Sanyogantasya Lopa, this sutra. That's why it is taken here. Here there is Ratsasya. When Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, when we are doing, Ukara comes in the place of this Rukara and the next Akara of Ngasi and Ngas. So that comes with Refa by Urandrapara, and then Sanyogantasya Rupaha, this sutra is applicable, but Ratsasya again does Niyama Vidhi that if at all the Sakara is going to disappear, being at the end of Sanyoga, then let it be, no. If anything is going to get disappeared after Refa, then let it be only Sakara and not anything else. That is the Niyama Vidhi. Then this Okaranta Shabda, Gotonit Sutra was required. So that Sutra, today's topic was Gotonit. Otoniditi Vachyam was the Vartika. Sarvanama Sthanam, we have to remember for Gotonit, the application of Gotonit or Otoniditi Vachyam is only possible when there is Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya is there in front of it. If there is no Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya in front of it, it is not going to happen. This Autom Shaso is one particular sutra which will come for Okaranta Shabda. So A, Otah, Okaranta Shabda, A, Akara, Adesha, Syat. So that's what we saw. Then Nasing Asoscha is the sutra which we have been seeing since the Ghisaudnika Shabdas. For Hari Shabda it came, Guru Shabda it came, Dhenu Shabda it came, and here also it is coming. Then Rayo Hali was sutra which came for Rai Shabda. This is the only sutra which is applicable from the current Prakarana for Rai Shabda. Otherwise, all other sutras are from Sandhi Prakarana. And Nav Shabda, there is no sutra. That's how Ajanta Strilinga Prakarana gets over. This is the Sangraha of sutras. Can be applied. Now, the next Prakarana is Ajanta Napunsakalinga Prakarana. So, let's see the Ajanta Napunsakalinga Shabda. Let's take one Shabda. Shabda here taken is Jnana Dhana Su. This is the Prakriya, the situation in front of us. Jnana Dhana Su. Now, the Prakriya, the Shabda will get declined. The different factors will be there. So for Napunsakalinga, some karya will be gender based because it is Napunsakalinga. Therefore, some karya specifically will happen. Sometimes Shabda is ending with this particular vowel, therefore some karya will happen. Sometimes Shabda is getting this Saudhnya, therefore particular karya will happen. Now here, this particular sutra, the 7.1.24, is coming based on the linga of that particular Shabda. Okay, so let's read the sutra here itself. Atom, 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 Ataha, This much only sutra is there. And now Granthakara is giving Vritti. सु सुश्च अम्च सु च अम च स्वमौ सुश्च अम्च स्वमौ तयोः स्वमोः 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 ऑफ सु एंड ऑफ अम किम स्यात् तयोः स्वमोः अम स्यात् अम स्यात् here there is word स्यात् there is no kriya pada so स्यात् we will add स्यात् we added is there from vritti here may happen may come in the place of what place of su and su and will be replaced by which su and which or any ordinary su and no it should be following kleba is napunsakalinga the anga should be napunsaka so napunsakat यह सुहु तस्य स्यात् नपुंसकात् यह तस्य स्यात् so su is getting replaced by and is also getting replaced by su is prathama vibhakti ekvachan is dvitiya vibhakti ekvachan su prathama vibhakti ekvachan prathama vibhakti dvitiya vibhakti ekvachan These two are getting replaced by is coming in the place of su, is coming in the place of the whole will get replaced. Klibat swamoho syat angat. So this anga, because angasya adhikara is going on, adhikara is angasya, therefore anga shabda will also get replaced. So klibat angat, napunsakat angat, swamoho syat. But any type of napunsakalinga, no. Again that napunsakalinga anga is getting described with or specified with one more adjective. It is ataha. Ataha angat, ataha klibat angat, swamoho amsyat. It should be akaranta and not any napunsakalinga. Otherwise there are shabdas like madhu. Madhu shabda is there. So there is su. Madhu shabda is napunsakalinga shabda and there is su. So if vritti is done just klibat angat swamoho syat, here also madhu dhana su madhu dhana this su might have got replaced by but it is not expected there, therefore atah angat it should be akaranta akaranta napunsakalingat angat swamoho syat. So here it will not happen, therefore we will remove that madhu dhana su. But here it will happen where jnana dhana su, here jnana dhana sutra is so here swamoho anuvritti is coming from earlier sutra. Swamor napunsakat, that's the sutra. Sutra says that su and will be disappearing. Su and will disappear when there is napunsakalinga anga. Napunsakat swamoho luk syat. Shadbhyo luk comes from here. So napunsakat swamoho luk syat is the utsarga vidhi. Utsarga vidhi is when there is napunsakalinga anga and after that if there is su or pratyaya, then that su and pratyaya will disappear. This is the utsarga vidhi, samanya vidhi. Next sutra comes atah napunsakat akarantat napunsakat swamoho syat natu luk. That is the next sutra, that becomes apavada. So utsarga vidhi is generally any Napunsakalinga Shabda, su and will be look. They will get look. That means they will disappear. Look is also disappearance only. Then akarantat napunsakat swamoho amsyat, not to look. That's how vritti is happening. So swamoho is coming from the previous sutra. Look is coming again prior to that, and then vritti is happening. Napunsakat swamoho atah napunsakat swamoho look syat. Sorry, syat. Atah napunsakat swamoho syat. That is the vritti. So, our Napunsakalinga or Napunsaka Anga is Akaranta and not just the Napunsakalinga. In the case of Madhu, what we had taken, Su, here Swamor Napunsakat, here just Madhu, it will disappear. Sutra is Swamor Napunsaka. That sutra. Whereas Napunsakalinga Anga is there, but it is Akaranta, and therefore will be coming in the place of Su. Because Atom. Now what will happen? Jnana Dhana Jnana. So Akara will disappear. Second Akara will also disappear. Sutra is
Pratamayo. Pratamayo.
Pratamayo Purva Savarna is Dirghadesha. Pratamayo Purva Savarna is Dirghadesha. Here, this is the Jnana Akara is going to come. What is the sutra?
Purva Rupa will happen.
Correct. Purva Rupa takes place. Ami Purva, Sutra says that Akaha Ami Achi Parataha. It is not asking about Napunsaka, Stri or Pum, just simply it is saying. So therefore, Ami Purvaha. Is ready? Jnanam. Now, here Jnana, Dhana Au, next Sutra is coming. That we will see. But before that, some Prakriya is also there. But we will see it in the little bit elaborate manner. Because these two lines we will read. We stop here, Swamiji?
Yes, we can stop. Is this time 5:45 to 6:45 okay for everybody?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay, Sri Lakshmi also. Okay, we'll keep it at this time then. Okay.
Okay, Swamiji.
Conclude.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari
Oh.
Hari Om.
Oops.